Yo guys, it is Fluffy Says here, back with another video for you guys today. Today guys, we're going to be going over the 2020 Black Friday sales for your Oculus Quest 2. This will be both for games and the Oculus Quest 2 itself. With that being said though, let's just jump straight into today's video. For starters, I'm going to be going over the promo code that you can use on your next game. This promo code is good until Saturday the 28th of November. Until then, you are allowed to put in this promo code and get 30% off of any app or game that you are buying from the Oculus store. This promo code is Oculus30, that is OCULUS30. All you have to do at checkout is put it in under promo codes and you'll get 30% off of whatever you are buying. If you've just bought in Beat Saber and you're a huge fan and want to buy some music packs, then this deal is going to be perfect for you, as all of the bundles for Beat Saber are on sale. The Imagine Dragons bundle is 34% off. The Timland music pack is 19% off. The Panic at the Disco music pack is 12% off. The Rocket League music pack is 24% off. The new BTS music pack is 37% off. The Monster Cat music pack is 34% off. The Linkin Park music pack is 36% off. And then the Green Day music pack is 24% off. Besides for that though, I don't think there are any other games or apps specifically for the Oculus Quest 2 that are on sale. However though, I will be going over some honorable mentions over on the Steam VR side in case you do have Oculus Link. For starters, we have the new Star Wars Squadrons game. This is the one where you fly around in Star Wars spacecraft. This one is going to be 40% off over on the Steam store. Next up, we have Half-Life Alyx, which I honestly think is a 100% must buy if you have Oculus Link. Half-Life Alyx is normally $60 but is now $45 with that 25% off discount. After that, we have Boneworks. Boneworks is a great game for looking into VR mechanics. This one will run you 20% off. This game has been out for a while, but if you are interested in exploring an expansive world in VR and you want a decent experience, Fallout 4 might be the place for that, and now is a great time to buy it as it is 75% off, going from $60 all the way down to $15. If you are looking into this game, now is the time to buy it. Now it's time for a lightning round. You got No Man's Sky 50% off, The Forest 50% off, Skyrim 67% off, Rick and Morty 60% off, Gorn 50% off, and then lastly you have Phasmophobia with 10% off. Sadly though, this Black Friday doesn't look too eventful on the side of games and apps. Luckily though, a lot of your VR accessories are going to be on sale. These are going to be your head strap comforters. These are going to be your front facial coverings. These are going to be your headphones. These are going to be all the accessories you can buy in order to improve the physical experience of using your VR headset. Starting off our accessories list is the Elite head strap for the Oculus Quest 2 for 5% off. It's not a huge discount, but the Elite strap is incredibly helpful if you're going to be using your Oculus Quest 2 for a long extended period of time, so getting that 5% off is better than nothing. Next up, we have a bit of an audio solution. These are going to be the Kiwi designed silicone earmuffs that fit onto your Oculus Quest and Quest 2. These slide right over the sides of the headset and keep the audio in and sounding great while you play. These are normally $25, but you can now get them for $19. Coming up next, we have the AMVR Touch Controller grips for the Oculus Quest 2 controllers. These would normally run you about $27, but now you can get them for just $22. These slide right over the controllers and then attach, giving a spot for your hands to slide on with extra comfort and grip. Along with that, it also secures the battery slider in place. That way the battery stays in the controller and doesn't fly out while you're playing Beat Saber on Expert Plus 200 times speed. Coming up next on the list, we have ourselves a lens protector. This lens protector you can put on top your Oculus Quest when you're not using it or if you're taking it on the go. These are really important as protecting your lenses is super big when getting the most out of your headset. a scratched lens can lead to an uncomfortable viewing experience in the future. This isn't a huge discount, just going from $9 down to $7, just a $2 save. But if you look at it from the terms overall, it is a 22% off discount. So you just kind of take things into perspective. But definitely would recommend buying these, as protecting your lenses are huge. Last up though, we're going to be talking about the Oculus Quest 2 itself and why it's not getting a discount and what you might see in terms of discounts coming into later holiday seasons. Looking back at the Oculus Quest 1 is where I'm going to get a lot of my information, so just take everything I say with a grain of salt, as a lot of this is speculation. But to start things off bluntly, I'm going to say do not expect to get a discount on the Oculus Quest 2 ever. Do not expect Oculus to put it on sale for a price cheaper than $300. They're probably already selling the headsets at a loss, and even if they are not known for cheapening their headsets during holidays. The only thing I have ever seen Oculus do with an actual headset in terms of discounts is actually adding games to the purchase of the headset. So if you buy the headset, you can get other games for free or at a discount once you buy it. This is the only thing I could possibly see coming to the Oculus Quest 2 tomorrow, Black Friday, but I could be wrong and there could be a huge sale. Along with that, Cyber Monday also might have things in store for the Oculus Quest 2, but as far as I am aware and I think only games will be given out for free if you buy a Quest 2 on sale. With that being said though, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, hit that like button down below and subscribe if you are new. I do plan to do more videos talking about deals on the Oculus Quest 2, as I feel like getting good deals is a huge part of VR, as buying headsets can cost a lot of money and people just want to get those cheap games for free, for cheap cash, just to get them in their libraries, get their libraries filled. That way they can always play games in VR no matter what mood they are in. Thank you to all of my members. You guys are absolute mad lads, my little lettuces, my bear cubs, and my mama bears. Thank you all so much for your support. It's absolutely amazing. And as November is ending off here, I will be starting up my holiday, December, Christmas, Hanukkah time talent show for Beat Saber. This talent show will have a cash prize if you win. To join it, all you have to do is go watch the introduction video, which will be posted on the 1st of December. This talent show will run through most of December and will end with a big finale, revealing the winner of the whole entire talent show. The talent show was super fun back when we did it in October for Halloween, so if you do want to join, we're trying to make this as big as possible. With that being said though, it is now time to end off today's video. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out, everybody. Bye.